In today's video, we will be sharing with you this delicious peach crostini recipe. Welcome to Tasty and Quick Recipes. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share notifications if you enjoyed this video. For this recipe, you will need 1 baguette, 3 peaches diced, 1 cup of ricotta cheese, 2 tablespoons of olive oil, 1 garlic clove, half a teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of basil, 1 teaspoon of honey, and 1 teaspoon of balsamic vinegar. We're going to start by slicing the baguette. Place each baguette sliced on a baking sheet. Take the garlic clove and rub it on both sides of each baguette slice. Brush each baguette slice with olive oil. We're going to bake this in the oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 10 minutes. While warm, sprinkle with salt. Set aside for later. To the diced peaches, add in the basil and the honey and mix well. Spread an even layer of ricotta cheese onto each baguette slice. Scoop the diced peach mixture on top of the ricotta. Use a spoon to drizzle each slice with balsamic vinegar. Our peach crostini recipe is complete, and now you can serve. We hope you enjoy.